Welcome and let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, Tectonic token developers are working towards a bigger project that will help Tectonic coin to really increase in price. Very soon, we'll be seeing Tectonic token hitting a massive level. I mean, this coin right now, even before they will celebrate their 1 year anniversary, Tectonic token developers have actually announced new partnership, and I believe that very soon we are going to see Tectonic token getting massive listening from different crypto exchanges, and I believe that definitely is going to help this coin to really increase in price. So many people have been talking about Tectonic token as of last few months when this coin started pumping, but right now Tectonic developers still need a lot of work, although they have been working very well because this coin will soon get listed by between 3 to 4 crypto exchanges. Even Coinbase and Binance have actually added Tectonic token on their watch list, and I believe them also. Anything might happen with Coinbase or Binance listing Tectonic token. Definitely we all will be expecting a massive increase in price for Tectonic token. But let's talk about the smaller crypto exchanges. Of course, they can really create an impact for Tectonic token, and then Hotbit and then L Bank. You talk about Get.io, you talk about Kucoin. These exchanges, yes, they are among the top exchanges, but you can't compare them with that of Binance or Coinbase. But I still believe definitely they are going to create more impact on Tectonic token, just like the way VBS Finance, the way Crypto.com are actually doing, supporting Tectonic token. I believe many more exchanges will definitely push this coin. Now, the project that they're working hard is to get this coin listed by 3 to 5 top crypto exchanges very soon. Well, let's wait and see. Maybe after the anniversary, by this December, which they'll be celebrating their anniversary, I believe that Tectonic token definitely is going to start increasing gradually, and I also believe holders will increase, the addresses will increase, the market cap definitely is going to increase. As of today, the market cap have really started increasing since dropping down a few weeks ago. Well, to me, I think this project definitely getting Tectonic token listed by top crypto exchanges is not just going to push Tectonic token price, it's also going to make Tectonic token more popular in the crypto industry. Of course, we'll be expecting many more people talking about it, many more people buying and holding Tectonic token, and this is going to be a positive impact for Tectonic token. And I hope that the developers will keep on pushing, keep on trying to achieve more better results in 2023 than in 2022. We want to see Tectonic token in a different level in 2023. That definitely is going to really help Tectonic token price to really increase. Of course, we all are hoping to see Tectonic token pump in order for us to really make good return on investment. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.